Learn how your words may be limiting your choices, your possibilities, and your options in life. Stay tuned. Damon here with NLP Gem. How language can limit your sense of reality, limit your choices and your options and your opportunities in life. Before I get into this, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking here, and you'll get these videos on a regular basis. So early on, when Bandler and Grinder were developing NLP, what they quickly realized is that language is a code or a map to your reality, how you map reality. And language gives that away. When we hear other people speak, when we listen to our own self-talk. Bandler and Grinder discovered 12 patterns of ways that we can use language to either limit our reality or expand our reality, or expand our map of reality. And this is a huge topic. This is so much has been written about this and taught about this, and videos have been made. I don't have time to go into all 12 patterns, but I will cover one pattern, and this is probably one of the most important patterns, and that is the Universal Quantifier. You know when this pattern is being used when you hear the words always, never, none. Words that imply absolutes, words that imply black and white thinking, or black or white thinking, and either or type thinking. So it's either this or it's that, and it's absolute, and there's no exceptions. So words or language that uses that type of, or implies that sort of situation or experience, that's what you want to look out for. So, you know, people who say, well, women always think this way, or men always think this way, or things never work out, or nobody knows what they're doing. So that implies that without exception, this is the way things are. And in probably 99% of situations, this is not true. There's always exceptions. There's always exceptions to the rule. There's always subtle distinctions. There's always nuances. But your mind likes to take shortcuts. And in taking shortcuts, this could limit you from seeing all of the possibilities that are out there. So what do you do when you're using this? Or how do you stop yourself from using it and using better language to bring in more choice in your life? First of all, you have to become aware when you're using the pattern. So listen to yourself. You know, give your unconscious the instructions of picking this up when you use it, and listen for it when other people use it. Listen for it for when you're actually speaking it, and listen for it when you're thinking to yourself. If you hear yourself saying, well, this always happens this way, or this never works, or catch yourself and then challenge it. Look for the exception, look for the counterexample. Is this absolutely always true? Is a question you can ask yourself. Is it always true that nobody ever knows what they're doing? No, it's not. You're going to find that there's always some exception. Somebody knows what they're doing. This is an incredible mental exercise. This will strengthen your brain power. This is an incredible exercise to bring more option and possibility into your life, where you're a person who thinks more in terms of solutions rather than just shutting the door and closing your mind to other possibilities. So it's an extremely powerful language pattern to become aware of, both in yourself and in other people. It's great as a coach. I use this all the time in coaching. It's great in sales to get to the heart of a matter, or to get more information, because what people are basically doing when they use these language patterns is they're deleting, generalizing, and distorting information. When you challenge the pattern, in someone's language, basically they have to go deeper inside and pull up information that had slipped into unconsciousness that they weren't aware of anymore. So this brings this information back into consciousness, and suddenly you have a much richer, more choice-filled map, or more options-filled map of reality. So challenge this in yourself, and challenge it in other people, and be gentle when you're challenging it on other people. A lot of people are not used to being challenged this way, challenged on the words that they use. Just remember, there's always more to the situation. Life is not really an experience of absolutes. There's always exceptions. And not only will this challenge you in the sense of increasing your mental powers, this will make you a more sympathetic human being. This will make you a richer, fuller human being who can experience life in a much richer way, with more possibility and more choice. So do this for yourself primarily, and do it with other people, and you'll watch your world completely open up. And this is just one pattern. The meta model has 12 patterns, and it is the foundation of NLP. It was created before NLP even had a name, and it really was where they brought in the linguistic in NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. Every model, every true NLP model that has followed is based off of the foundation of the meta model. And unfortunately, not enough NLP students take the time to learn it. Learn that one pattern, take it one pattern at a time, but check out the Universal Quantifier and just work on that for, like, say, a week, and you'll be amazed at what happens. If you haven't already, please check out our website, nlp-gym.com. Follow us on Facebook, and as I mentioned, if you haven't already, please click subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, please click like and leave me a comment or even a question. I love to respond to comments and questions. And remember, Core Transformation coming to Santa Cruz, taught by Mark Andreas. This is an extremely exciting workshop where you're going to take the obstacles in your life, the suffering in your life, the problems in your life, and you're going to use those to create the doorway to overcoming those problems and obstacles and creating the life you desire. Hope to see you there. Take care.